start with the certainty area, because that's really how the company got started. And what we do there is make very small fragments of DNA, 350 base pairs or less. And we sell unique sequences in large quantities, grams, to our customers to tag various types of materials that to call them unique. So, counterfeiting, how do you tell the real from the fake? They can use this. And I just brought along some props here. The biggest one, that market that we've been in right now for supply chain traceability. We're out in about 10 gins around the world, cotton gins on farm, spraying unique DNA sequences onto the cotton. This is just a little, example of what a bale, 500-pound bale looks like. That travels through a whole supply chain through many countries in Asia, in America, that are in store shelves today. And what we do is use the PCR process to extract material from these, and we can test and make sure that the DNA that was put onto the product in the first place at its source is found at the end. That's how traceability and authenticity can be proven. So it's kind of a crazy thing. We also are working with a company that makes thread, the second largest thread manufacturer in the world. And they're selling this to some high-end brands to sew into their goods, again, for anti-counterfeit purposes. We've also worked with other materials. I will show you here in a second. We've tagged over 300 million pounds of cotton. We've worked with polyester, because how do you tell the difference between real polyester and recycled? People are making claims on recycled, but you can't tell the difference. Tagging it approved. Stolen car parts. We've tagged over 60,000 automobiles. We work for the Department of Defense in tagging some of their microchips. Believe it or not, there's a pretty high percentage of counterfeits going into rockets and other, dangerous devices. We've tagged over 800 tons of dietary supplements because what you think you're buying is not always what you're buying. And we've worked with a pharmaceutical company mostly. Our product has been used in 147 court cases and convicted criminals for 747. So that's really how our business got started.